self-driving cars? How do you learn about how to fix those when there's no driver?
Well, what we're looking at is we have schooling anytime there's an education program coming up about the advanced cars. Anytime there's a schooling, whether it be from the OE manufacturer like Toyota, Mercedes, we can go to schools. The aftermarkets, Napa, Fisher, and all of them, advanced, they actually do also have classes on the newer stuff. So we do have to maintain, my guys go to the average of at least 6 classes a year to help maintain the new technology we're working on today.
And you get certified in these technologies?
Well, but we try to get, it's a voluntary certification of ASE, Automotive Service Excellence, and we try to get all my guys to become ASE Master Techs.
Thank you so much for having us here today, Keith, at Integrity Automotive. The shop's really awesome, and we learned a lot about a lot of different things I didn't know, self-driving cars, how you all get certified, the different services you offer. How can our audience get in touch with you one more time?
Again, you can call us at 540-388-0300 or email us at integrity84084@gmail.com.
And for all your real estate needs, please contact Licata Group at 540-388-2541, or you can visit our website, lakeofthewoodsvirginia.com. Thank you.
Please come out and pay Orange County a visit. We have a great community, a great place to live with the Licata Group and with the Chamber of Commerce and with Integrity Automotive. We welcome you to come see us.